These days, a simple push of a button can get you anything. Instant contact with friends and family, live emergency room wait times, and now a push of a button can potentially save your life.
We have a software called RxHX. This software saves lives because we can look up the patient's medications, realize what sort of medical history the patient has, and we can act upon it quickly.
It's the fast-paced software that's proving to be especially helpful when time is essential. The emergency department at Aventura Hospital and Medical Center.
The patient has an allergic reaction and they don't know what medication they're on. They didn't bring their list, they didn't bring any of their meds. They just don't know. We were able to go into our system, find out what medication the patient filled, what date, and identify it.
With the swipe of a driver's license, staff and physicians can locate a person's entire prescription history.
Many a times our patients are altered or in a comatose state, and they come in and there may not even be family around. And we're able to quickly find their medications, and using those meds we're able to determine what kind of medical history they have. And frequently that can lead to saving lives in a timely manner.
The highly trained staff here in the emergency department treat nearly 50,000 patients each year. Having quick, concise information at their fingertips makes the process easier for everyone, including the patient themselves.
Patients used to come in and did not know what medications they're on, what doses they were on, how frequently they would take them, or even sometimes who was their doctor and who prescribed it. So now we're able to go into the system and look and see what medicines are you on, who prescribed it, what is the dosages, the frequency.
This comprehensive database helps Dr. Roman Skylar craft a prescription plan to tailor a patient's needs following emergency care.
I'm now prescribing a new medication for this patient. I could then look at what they're currently on and possibly change my medications or identify any kind of medications that they're on that may interact with the medication I'm about to prescribe. So it helps us eliminate medication errors as well.
Known for its award-winning inpatient and outpatient services, the staff also benefit from this RxHX technology.
Our staff is dedicated to our patients and our community. They're caring, and they all have the same goal of seeing patients, getting them in quickly, and providing good care, and with compassion.
Using this electronic medication software by IntraMed-HX is just another example of how Aventura Hospital and Medical Center continues to lead the way in high-quality care with high-level technology. Not only can a quick click retrieve prescription information for staff, simply texting ER to 23,000 on a mobile device can provide instant emergency room wait times for patients.
HCA in general, as a company, is always looking for cutting-edge technology to help in the care and quality of patient care. Oftentimes, when a new product, a new software, a new type of technology comes around, they look for facilities that are willing to pilot it.
State-of-the-art technology combined with a human touch, bringing life-saving results to patients across South Florida. Reporting for the Healthcare News Network, I'm Deirdre McDade.